Hi everyone, it's me, Asang Filipina. Welcome back again. It's me, and today I have a new parcel, so we're going to unbox. This is from Shein, and this is not a sponsored video. So I'm going to show you and try on this one. So first I'm going to try on the flip-flops. And my dog is very noisy outside. So size 36 but looks small. But we'll see. Someone is watching behind my back. It's my neighbor. So it's looks like size 35. But oh my gosh, this looks good. I don't want to come inside. So this is just a quick unboxing, and then I'm gonna walk with you guys. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Hi again. So next is the wedges. Oh, this is so cute, but expensive. Okay. Oh, that is good. That's all for today's video. See you next vlog. Love you all, everyone.